Top focus this news wheel continues to be that high drama that we've been witnessing at the Vidhana Saudha. Now take a look at this. Visuals from Karnataka Assembly on your screens. Next, you've got 18 BJP MLAs that have been suspended for 6 months. Never has it happened before. All for disrupting the proceedings. And these are the dramatic visuals of the marshals forcefully removing the MLAs from the House. Mind you, this is the first time in the State Assembly history that MLAs have been suspended for a tenure and period of 6 months. The suspended MLAs cannot participate even in standing committee meetings from now on. The BJP members had been protesting against the 4% Muslim quota bill as well as several other bills. But to understand more about what happened, let's cut across to our correspondent Wajiullah, who's soon going to be with us. In the meantime, the high drama, the dramatic visuals that we've been getting to you exclusively here on News 9, ladies and gentlemen. 18 BJP MLAs for creating a ruckus on the directions of the chair of the House, the speaker of the Vidhana Saudha. The 18 BJP MLAs were marshalled out. Take a look at that. Dramatic visuals. Wajiullah is soon going to be with us, getting us live updates from ground zero in Bengaluru. Meanwhile, major stakeholders and their reactions on your screens next.
The Speaker has suspended our 18 MLAs. This is totally undemocratic. It is totally undemocratic. My first question is, when your own minister, when the ruling party's senior MLA and a senior minister has demanded probe into honey trap issue, why Chief Minister is hesitating? Why is he hesitating to give it to a probe? Bharatiya Janata Party, we have demanded a CBI investigation or by a judicial inquiry by a sitting High Court judge. This is our demand. But Chief Minister and Home Minister, they have not given any clarity regarding the probe. The Chief Minister is trying to run away from this episode. The issue is, it is not the question of the respect of two ministers. Now the issue is, this question is regarding all 224 MLAs, because the minister himself has claimed more than 48 MLA and leaders belonging to both state level and national level, they have been the victims of the honey trap.
Unbecoming of our members to behave like that. They were standing next to the swan and all this. They did everything possible, violated everything possible things in that assembly. So they have been expelled.
So you find it a justified step?
This is just 100% justified.
कांग्रेस पार्टी के हम क्या अपेक्षा कर सकता है, उसको कंटिन्यू किया। आज जो 18 अपना विधायकों को सस्पेंड करके हमने क्या डिमांड किया? हनी ट्रैप छोटा विषय है क्या? छोटा मुद्दा है क्या? सीनियर मिनिस्टर उन्होंने आपादन किया, हनी ट्रैप का ट्रैप में जस्टिस लोग भी है, सीनियर ऑफिसर्स है, विधायक है, मंत्री लोग है, उसको ट्रैप करने के लिए एक नेटवर्क है, उसको पीछे बड़ा आदमी है, ऐसा उन्हें आरोप किया। आरोप करने के बाद जांच करने के लिए आदेश किया है क्या?
Mohammad Wajiullah joining us live here on the broadcast. Waji, a very warm welcome to you. Only yesterday were we talking about how this is going to be a big weapon for the opposition in the state of Karnataka, that is the BJP, and we're already witnessing these chaotic scenes. Unprecedented, 18 BJP MLAs suspended for 6 long months. And again, the timing matters because Kaveri Aarti is about to happen. You've got so many of these other things that are happening. We're looking forward to a Bandh as well. Vaji, what next? What kind of political ramifications does this mean? What are you picking up? How can you help the viewers here?
Well, Kabir, this is absolutely unprecedented, something that Karnataka has never seen before. We had seen this in the parliament last year, but in Karnataka, in State Assembly. I think this is the first time when 18 MLAs have been suspended, but because of the chaos that had been created in the House with regards to the honey trapping issue. Now, what we already know is that these MLAs have been suspended for 6 months. The BJP and the JDS right now is planning to go and meet the governor, but the governor today is not in the city. He is at Indore for a private function. So therefore, they are writing a complaint to the Chief Secretary, and we will see a lot of protest in the coming days with regards to honey trap issue. We've already heard the minister speak and make it clear that they were trying to highlight a very important issue in the House, the issue of how MLAs are getting honey trap. It's not any normal public that is getting blackmailed or honey trap. It is the MLAs of the ruling government who are getting honey trap, and it is important that this issue gets more attention, because it is not 1 or 2 MLAs who have come out and said this, but 48 people are in the dock, is what Rajanna had claimed yesterday, which includes ministers, journalists, judiciary, and other chief justices also, and other bureaucrats also. And that is why it was important, is what the BJP alleges, that, and that is why they were trying to raise this issue in both the houses, in the assembly and in the council, while the government was trying, while the chief minister was also trying to respond to the budget session. His speech was due. He was talking while this was happening, while the BJP leaders were creating this ruckus at the well of the House. That is when this irked the speaker, because he had already adjourned the House 2 to 3 times. Despite that, the BJP maintained, both the BJP and the JDS were hell-bent on making this an issue and wanted the House to discuss the honey trap issue more than the budget session, and that is why this suspension happened, where the MLAs were seen throwing papers, heckling the speaker, the marshals who were present over there, who were trying to stop them. Between this chaos, we'd also seen how the government had categorically passed the MLA bills also, the MLA salary bills, the 4% reservation bill, the Karnataka KTPL bill. So all these bills were also passed amidst this chaos that we'd seen in the assembly, Kabir. And this is, mind you, something that has happened in Karnataka for the first time. 18 MLAs getting suspended by the speaker is something very unprecedented and something that we've never seen in Karnataka before.
Their travel allowances have been suspended. All the other allowances have been suspended. Their statements are not going to be accounted for. And, you know, even as we're looking at some of those visuals where they get a old school, Maharaja style palanquin exit from the Vidhana Saudha, how credible are reports, Vajji, that we're picking up that D.K. Shivkumar, the Deputy Chief Minister, was seen smiling, laughing when those CDs were being presented? I mean, where does this honey trap controversy now lead up to? The MLAs have already passed several of those bills amidst those chaotic scenes. That's not something very new. What's more interesting is to look at how this honey trap controversy is now going to snowball. Well, it seems like a little bit of a technical difficulty. We're going to quickly patch Vajji back. He's been reporting from ground zero, getting us live updates from right outside the Vidhana Saudha. You can see the Deputy Chief Minister and the Chief Minister right in the middle of that Congress leaders' huddle, because amidst chaotic scenes, like Vajji was telling us, several of those bills, the salary hikes, many of those bills were passed as well. There's a grand Kaveri Aarti that everybody is waiting for as well. We're going to shift our focus to that as well. But before that, some more reactions vis-a-vis the 18 BJP MLAs that have been suspended. They were marshaled out, just like you see on your screens here. Some more political reactions next.
It is anti-democratic. There is no democracy in Karnataka, only anarchy. The ministers in government are honey-trapped, and allegation is on the government itself. And the chief minister is playing on both the sides. He has intelligence in his command. For the last 6 months, this is going on. Nothing has been done. He is playing both ways. And when this was asked and put an end to this, to bring purity in public life, our MLAs have been thrown out. This is totally undemocratic, and they have to pay for this.
कर्नाटक में कल एक मंत्री ने बताया है 48 MLAs, मंत्री, अधिकारी और ऐसे कई लोगों के हनी ट्रैपिंग हुआ है। और उन्होंने ये भी कहा है हमारे लोग ही किया है, मंत्री किया है, ऐसे कहा है। मैं तो ये पूछना चाहता हूँ, ये हनी ट्रैपिंग किया कौन? सरकार के मंत्री और एक मंत्री को क्यों कर रहे हैं? अधिकारियों को क्यों कर रहे हैं? ऑफिसर्स को क्यों कर रहे हैं? अपोजिशन एमएलए को भी किया है, ऐसे बताया गया है, क्यों किया है? तो मीन्स कांग्रेस पार्टी में कर्नाटक में एकदम बिल्कुल एक बिखरा हुआ स्थिति है। इसके लिए कांग्रेस पार्टी, कांग्रेस के मिस्टर राहुल गांधी जिम्मेदार है।